Hey everyone, in today's video I will be putting in this slime. Yes, it's a beautiful slime. I will poke it. It's a nice glossy slime. I will be putting some lip gloss in it to make it even more glossy. I have no idea how that works, but yes, I will make it glossier. So I just unscrewed the cap and I will be putting it in. Boom, it's all in. Now, to make it even more better, I'm going to spread it with a butter knife around the slime. Don't know why I do that stuff, but I did. Now let's see how this makes the slime. It's not really seeming to change the slime. It's not even making it more glossier. So I'd say it's pretty much mostly mixed in. So I can officially say that it has not changed the slime at all. It is still the same texture from what it was at the beginning. So yeah, I would recommend, I would say, because it didn't really do anything bad to the slime, but at the same time, yeah. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I guess I will see you in the next video if you want to watch. Bye everyone!